MadisonFinance.com is what we ended up calling it. This is the home page. As you can see, it's the categories at the top are property, revitalized, construct, potential, and then there's a forum page as well. And any one of those, you can, well, down at the bottom there's the accordion-like system that when you click on one, it'll show what's under there. As you can see, all the most popular, full community login, which all this stuff will end up being on the left on any other page you're on. He's going into the property page right now, and as you can see, it just lists all the different categories, and inside those categories, all the different articles that we have. You can click on an article, it'll give you a brief description. If you need a better description, there's a website for each one of these articles that a lot of them link you to the city's website where they have more in-depth coverage of it, or it links you to the Ohio Department of Development, and some federal websites as well. That's how each one of the first four sections, the toolbox, works. And then on the left side, you'll see the same thing you saw on the front page, which is the full community login and then latest forum posts. If you click on one of those, it'll take you to the forum page, which community members can share ideas and kind of say what they think is needed in the community, what's basically just that, what's needed, and how a certain financial tool would work for one thing but not the other, if it worked for them and if it didn't. So that's pretty much how the website works. You can get a better knowledge of it if you actually log in. This is from the back end. This is how we kind of set it up and how it would be easy for someone to learn how to do this so that they could change it around if any changes needed to be made. And first you log in to a program called Joomla, and it shows like the most popular forums that were there and articles. And we can go into Article Manager, and this is how you actually create a new article in a category, say fiscal programs. You had a new one to go under there. And this is adding an image right now. You add the image, you upload it, you can change the alignment, left, center, right. It's aligned to the left right now. Then you click on the image button, go to Appearance, click in the dimensions, click in, you want a 5-foot border or 5-inch border so that it doesn't stick up in the corner. And then you can play around with the text and with the style, the paragraph type, and the font size. As you can see right now, there's a smiley face being made. And then it's as easy as just go up to the top, click Save, and you refresh the page that you edited, and there it shows up. And then since we don't need that on there, we're going to go ahead and delete that. By deleting it, you go there and just throw it in the trash. That's it. He's going to explain the boards a little bit now.
All right, so these are our boards. As you see, this one right here, this is our main page, and this basically just lists some of the features on the thing. Patrick went into these, like the way the content's structured. He also went into the tools. One of the things he did not go into is we do have a search bar, and it's an Ajax search bar, just like the Google one. So like you don't have to actually wait for the page to load. It'll pop it up in real time, which is pretty cool. These right here are the different headers. We have icons that correspond with whatever page they're on. They give a nice little animation to create some uniqueness through each page. These right here are categories that you saw on the website. And now if you go over here, this is how we've broken them down. A lot of these programs overlap, but we have them in different sections because, I mean, you know, it's just how it works. So, I mean, basically, to give you an overview of the categories, for property, we have fiscal programs. For like commercial tax abatements, we have social programs like emergency mortgage assistance. We have programs for small business, like the Small Business Administration, the 504 program, as well as large business. For revitalization, we broke it down into minor cleanup and major cleanup. And then we also have infrastructure, like, so you have like the rapid outreach program under infrastructure. That's a good one right there. And the lead paint information, that's under major as well. And I mean, I'm not gonna go through all the categories, we don't have time for that, but you just get an idea how we've structured all of the content into a more user-friendly and easily accessible form for the community to use. And that's about it. Does anyone have any questions at this time?